What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I am back in Jerry's store, the largest location in my area, and I just noticed some of these brand new Christmas items, so I wanted to come on over here and show you guys what we have. I mean, it's not fully stocked yet, but we do have this one aisle, and I'm noticing lots of new ribbons. They look pretty cute. A little red truck. I love the blue. We have snowmen. We also have glitter ribbon. We have satin ribbon. And I think this is a duplicate. No, this one is actually different. We have little elf feet, more little red trucks, all the DIY woodcraft items, including these little color your own gnomes. These look so cute with the trees. DIY 3D craft kits. We have some burlap ribbon here. All of the mesh tubes, red, green, and the silvery color. The wreath hangers, those are metal. All of the tinsel, what are they calling them? Tinsel stems, AKA fancy pipe cleaners. The 3-piece Joy, Believe, and Peace. We have even more ribbon down here. This is the glitter ribbon. Ooh, this is pretty. We have blue, green, and we have this white. It always looks like it has snow in it to me. And then we have this one that looks kind of like a tinsel ribbon. They're calling it glitter mesh ribbon. We have some little fabric bundles over here. 20 by 21, and it's 100% cotton. This one has little gnomes on it. We have candy canes and gifts and Christmas trees, reindeer. We have the candy canes on black. We have the buffalo check, black and white. Traditional Christmas stripes. These are really cute. Oh, we have Santa on that one with the reindeer and a snowman. Yeah, those are really cute. Wood shape snowman, wood shape trees, little antlers. We also have this color of antlers, and we have this color. Cute little sleds. Snowflakes, Merry Christmas. Ice skates. The ice skates are really cute. And that is what my store has for Christmas. Let's go around the other side. It's like fall, Halloween, and Christmas all at once. The Halloween yarn, I think that's new. This is the display behind the weekly wow. All of the leaves, grateful, the pot holders, the oven mitts, the microfiber towels, the dish drying mats, a whole other print over here, blue and sort of a brownish orange and white, the big mugs. These are cute. And then we also have these that say gather. Those are cute. the bowls, the plates, and the weekly wow for the week are these Halloween solar stakes. We have the eyeball, we have the skull, the eyeball, we have the ghost, the jack-o'-lantern. Yep, that is the weekly wow. All of my bags in my cart for Aldi, which is next door. I can't wait to go over there and see what might be new. Let's see if we have anything new over here. I think some of these candles are new. French toast and pumpkin butter. What's this? A 3-pack of votive candles, French toast and pumpkin butter. And then we have harvest berry, cute and giftable. And then this one is Bartlett pear cider. You guys have probably seen the little acorns. I think those are really cute. And this one is also new. This little acorn. I think we have another pack of the votive candles. Bartlett pear cider. And this one is new also, toasted marshmallow fluff. Brand new for the week, at least in my store. This store usually has lots of candles compared to some of my other stores. Oh, and these are new too. This is really heavy. The monogrammed ones. Again, these are super heavy and nice. We have thankful. We have grateful. We have the white acorns. I like that they're individually wrapped. These are so cute. More little holders for tea light candles. Also these in the green. Lots of pumpkins and lots of acorns and lots of candles. You guys already know where I'm going next. Time to head down the makeup aisle and see if we can find some name brand makeup items for the week and new nail items. I'm already finding new nail items, you guys. They're calling these Magic Fortune nails, and it's by the Be Pure brand. You guys come back to my very next video because I'm going to show all the new items that I find down this aisle. You don't want to miss it. Definitely check out my Dollar Tree playlist if you want to see what I shared last. But yeah, you guys, I'm about to get into this makeup aisle, so come back to the very next video. If you guys are brand new, welcome to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.